All right. Oh shoot. What's up, guys?
Okay, we're back playing wiffle ball. It has been 3 months.
It's been like 3 months since we played wiffle ball. I mean, I know I did post that video 1 month ago with like me and my neighbor, my neighbor and I. My bad. Don't quote me on that in the comments. So we're gonna do a little bit of rule changing. So you see this yellow thing right here, this yellow rope. It is now a strike zone, and if you throw it in there, it's a strike. But are we doing? That's a huge V. Hey, get out! You're not welcome. Okay. Anyways, and so 4 strikes and 5 balls. Is that what we were doing?
Yeah.
And
did you say 2 innings?
Yeah, and we're now doing 2 innings.
I have a hurt foot.
Yeah, and I was pitching wiffle ball all yesterday and all this weekend, so it's kind of like...
Yeah, we're sore.
Yeah, we're really sore from yesterday and last week. But alright, we're going to start playing.
I'm taking it slow from the start. Trying to take it off later.
Yeah. Alright, this game is starting right now.
Oh boy, I'm so excited for this match.
Yep. Riker Jacobson at the plate. Throws low in the dirt for ball 1. Next pitch. Swung on. It's a low grounder. He throws it, and he jumps over the ball. He's running second, thinking about 3, and stopping there for a double.
Wow, what a jump to get away from that ball.
Yeah, that was a crazy jump. Just barely missed it. And he will walk over, grab his bat, and pick it up. Oh, wait. Okay. But, all right. Second and plate appearance. Runner at second. Swing. And check swing, and he holds back. Next pitch. Swung on and missed for strike 1. And by the way, the foul balls only count as a strike for the first and second. They're stopping for absolutely zero reason. And Riker's swinging the bat for absolutely no reason. The 1-1 pitch. Just a bit outside for ball 2. Swung on off the plate for a foul ball, strike 2. Or dead ball, not a strike, my bad.
Don't clip that.
The 1-1 pitch. Swung on, foul ball into the woods.
No, that didn't go into the woods.
Oh, maybe not. Strike 3. But we do 4 strikes in this because we're built different.
No, because we suck at hitting.
Yeah, that's fair. They're stopping for no apparent reason again because they look like some interesting people. Yeah.
Stretch.
Bro, hurry up! Like, bro, what?
Tell them if they want to see this.
Strike 4 for the first out of the game. And that's
Swing and a miss.
Yeah, he got him for the first. Oh, strike 2.
Already.
The 0-2 pitch. Swung on for strike 3. The next pitch.
A hit.
Line drive to the right center field. And it's an automatic double as it goes into the garage from the open door because I forgot to close it. Because it went out of play. What do you think about that?
I think
There's like 1 in a million chance of it going through the garage door. Oh, he's pitching again. Oh, swung on and missed for strike 1. Wait, no, strike 1. My bad. Next pitch.
instant
Strike.
swing and a miss.
Now the count is 0-2. The 0-2 pitch. Fouled off. And it is still strike 2. Looking for balls. No, that's fine. Alright. Still waiting. Alright, the 0-2 pitch. Driven into left center field. He's running, and he will stop at first base for a single. And doesn't drive in a run. Runners at first and third. 1 out.
at the top of the first. That's a decent line drive.
It is indeed. Oh, another strike.
Strike one.
The 1-0-1. Fouled off for strike two. And he's grabbing more balls and throwing it back to me because I forgot to run and I ran out. All right. Here's the pitch. Swung on and foul ball. Gosh. There's a lot of foul balls off this.
Strike 3, I think?
Yeah. There's a lot of foul balls off this young Riker Jacobson. Hit.
then-
Swung on. Foul ball.
Again.
Yeah. It is still an 0-2 count. Wow, this is an interesting game so far.
Seems like it's
Oh.
anybody's match right now.
Driven to center field, just barely not out. And he will stop at first for a single.
Pretty good drive.
Yeah, drove it right under the garden bushes and did not. It didn't go out just by a couple feet. It was crazy.
No,
I feel like Riker's swing power
2-0 for him.
has gotten.
What is up, guys?
I was
We
saying,
totally were gosh right now.
Yeah, we totally didn't go on a bike ride.
Riker's swing power seems to be getting less hard hitting since the last time we've seen him in a match or in a game.
Yeah, it's just got a little bit worse. He's out on his front foot quite a bit when he's swinging and not looking at the ball. He has to refocus, regroup, and start hitting the ball. Line drives over the fence. And I know that bat's a little big too for him.
But I mean,
It's a little long and it's a little hard to swing in the wind because of how light it is.
but it wasn't really
Quit
right.
making me look like that.
All right, pitch, drove over the umbrella, and it's an automatic double as it goes under the grill in right center field.
Still looks like it's anybody's game right now. Will it still be? Or will it
Here's a ground ball up to under Grant's foot, and it's in. He's in for a single.
Grant trying to stop it, but just missed it.
Yeah, just barely got under the foot of Grant Williams. All right.
1 second quicker, he would have stopped that and probably gotten out.
Yeah, I know. All right, here comes the 1-0 pitch. Swung on, drove, deep left center field, and it's gone! A home run! The first of the game, and it is now 6-0.
That's what we were seeing from the old Riker Jacobson.
Yeah, he really got in on it and just drove it over the fence. What a great swing. The 0-0 pitch. Swing on and a miss. Pulled his head out a little early there. 0-1 pitch. Driven again. Left center field all the way back to the fence, and he will stop at first for another single.
Seems like he's hitting it towards
Right center.
right center field a lot.
Yeah, he's a little late on it because he's not starting his swing early enough, and it looks like that's the... So he's at 6.
Wait, what's the run rule?
7.
Okay.
All right. So it's 6-0 for Riker Williams. Jacobson, my bad. Oh, and it's a ground ball up the middle through the legs of Grant Williams. And he fakes the throw, and he's safe at first. All right, that was an incredibly good hit. Just right through the wickets of Grant Williams. And it's a perfect placement to just get a little blooper single. 0-0 pitch. Swung on and tipped off of his bat for strike 1. The 0-1 pitch. Swung on. Ground ball to Grant's feet once again. Steps on the base for the second out of the inning. And it is 6-0 after the first inning.
Seems like Riker Jacobson has been hitting quite a few foul balls.
Yeah.
And hopefully Grant will change that.
Yeah, I know. Grant Williams has had 26 home runs out of only 5 games, along with Riker Jacobson as well.
Haven't I had like 20 from the first 2 games?
Yeah, something like that. Because because of the other field, remember? All right, Grant using the Rawlings mock, and it's a single up the middle. He's thinking about 2, skirting back. Oh no! And he gets hit on the foot. What was he thinking? Not staying on the base. He was. I tried to get out of the way, but it went down weirdly. I thought I could have. Good job, Riker. Oh, that's a ball. And it's gone in the wrong direction. Are you guys done with your food over here? Yeah. I am. We're not gonna risk it. Ball one. Oh, by the way, you have to get hit twice to have a free base. Was that missy or that? It's fine. Never mind. Sorry about the lack of audio in the last half inning, but I might have accidentally deleted that part of the playing. And
because he's a little doofus.
Yeah, Riker tying his shoe at pitcher's mound. And there's 1 out right now with a runner at first base. And a runner at first base only.
Sorry, I had to tie my shoe. It was loose. What a trip. Wait, dude, you just hit.
Oh, shoot, I did just hit it. And it's a double up the middle. My bad for singing the Jeopardy play-by-play. Okay, runner at second and third now with 1 out. Looks like Grant Williams having some troubles with his shoulder. Here's the pitch. Swing on, ground ball. And it's through. He stops. Oh, and he's not on the base. His hand was off. And Riker
gets the second out to end this one early.
Yep, and it is a final of 6-0 after the first inning. All right. He will be. He was out at first, I believe. He was. Yeah, so I might have gotten out twice. Yeah, that's basically it. And now it will be Riker Jacobson's up to hit in the top of the second inning.
I'm surprised. We know.
All right.
No, actually, never mind.
First pitch. Swung on. Weak ground ball. And it's fair. Throws it. And it's
missed.
And he throws it away. Throws it away again.
Oh, just missed, and he stays at second.
For a double. What an amazing way to stay safe. I mean, that ball just was absolutely thrown way out of the way by Grant Williams, throwing it to first. He really did not throw that accurately.
Yeah, that first throw, I had to say, it was not the greatest. That second throw, the dodge,
that was
actually pretty good.
That one was actually pretty good throw. All right, we are back for the top of the second, or is it the bottom of the second? I believe it's the top of the second. I'm pretty sure it's the top of the second. Yep, it's the top of the second. Trust. I don't care. I was running around a lot, okay? Don't judge. Okay, so Riker Jacobson will be up to bat in the top of the second.
Me?
Yes, you dur. Okay, so he will be up to bat right now. Waiting. They're still talking. Why are they still talking?
Because we don't talk now.
Ball 1 inside. All right, here comes the 1-0 pitch. Swung on, fouled off into the up of the zone, and it's strike 2. Strike 1.
He hits one. And, oh, Grant almost gets it. He loses it. He loses it again. And Riker will slide into first base safe just by a little bit. Wow, what a close play. But he is eventually safe. And there is now a runner at first and third. And it is still 6-0. Wow, this is an interesting game so far. Lots of close plays. The pitch. Swung on, driven up the middle, all the way to the fence, and he will stop at first and dive back in to first base, safe for a single, and a run scores.
There's a wild dog on the field.
Yeah, the dog running wild across the field, and it's been running all game across it for absolutely no apparent reason. She's built like that. And there walks my mom in back gate, and there goes the dog to the vet because she cut her eye this morning. Anyways, back to the game. Up to bat, Riker Williams, the 0-0 pitch. Swung on, driven out, and Grant makes the play! Oh my lord! He just caught that over his shoulder, couldn't see out of the sun, and made the play.
You had sunglasses on.
Still couldn't see because they suck.
That ball.
Trust. Anyways, back to the game. For the first out, swung on. And for strike one, two or maybe, I don't know. I didn't pay attention for the first pitch. All right, ball 2. 2-0, the 2-1 pitch. Inside for ball 3. Riker Williams, the 3-1 pitch.
Riker Williams.
No, wait. And it's gone! And Grant thinking second choices, and he will replay review underway. Coming back to you in a couple minutes.
Wait, is that
The replay review.
After replay review, the call on the field.
Fair ball.
Home run. It is a home run for Riker Jacobson, not Williams. His last name is not Williams. I repeat.
Hit a home run yet this game.
I keep saying that because I'm used to saying my own name. Yeah. So, one down. I think it's 9-0 now. Riker showing off his cheeks. And it's a ball 1 low and away.
Ball.
The 1-0 pitch. Swung on, driven deep, and it just barely won't go. He doesn't know what's happening, and it's an automatic, and it's a single for Riker Williams. Jacobson, oh my gosh, I keep saying that. Anyways, so, back to the game. Oh, and that will be run. Okay, we are back, and there seems to be a sprinkler over the second base. Interesting for this small little ballpark in Bemidji, Minnesota.
10-0. I don't even know where the runners are.
what?
Yeah.
Sprinkler, yay.
Giggity giggity. Anyways, there is now a sprinkler over second base. What an interesting way to play wiffle ball.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't affect the pitcher's pitching with it hitting his back.
All right. He throws it, and he's safe. He misses. He misses again. Riker will be safe at second base. Sorry for that little blurb.
Disgusting.
Okay. So there seems to be a problem on the field, and never mind, there is no problem. Okay. Riker up to bat once again for like the 6th, 7th time. Swings. And it's a ground ball, and it gets stuck under the grill in right center field. Interestingly, there's a grill right in the middle of the field, and it got stuck under there for an automatic single. pitch. Swung on and missed for strike one. The 0-1 pitch. Not being thrown yet, now it's thrown. Swung on, drive, deep to right center field, and it's gone! A home run for Riker Jacobson.
I didn't even see the play, but
And
I had a feeling that it was a pretty good home run.
and he's getting pushed along because he's showboating over the first and second base.
Yep.
And he started showboating again. And it looks like Grant's about to kill him, but he defends himself because he doesn't want to get called on by the police.
Give me the glasses.
So, that was run rule, I believe. And is now 13-0 for Riker Jacobson.
Yeah.
All right.
That's not what I sound like. Totally.
All right. First pitch.
Ricky.
Swung on. Foul ball. Yo. Oh, ball just a bit inside, almost hitting him. All right. The 1-1 pitch. Swung on it and fouled off again.
Oh my God.
Will this guy ever hit it fair again? We'll find out. Swung on. Driven. Deep. And it's gone.
Over the front fence.
A home run for Grant Williams. His 27th of the season.
Damn.
That is a lot of home runs in one season.
I know.
Or,
Wait,
it's not even.
Don't I got 27 too?
You have more. I think you have like 30 now.
Foul ball.
Something like that. Because you hit 3 before. Or 2 more. So you're at 29. About to hit 30.
I'm about to hit 30
Swung on.
home runs.
Deep shot. And it's gone again. Back-to-back home runs for Grant Williams. Oh, wait, no. Oh, they call it an automatic double. Because it went into the potatoes in right center field. Oddly enough.
Potatoes.
And they will take time to throw back the balls to the pitcher's mound.
Tomato.
Tomato something 6-7. All right. They will and the camera angle is off for some reason.
Hey, welcome back to my content.
What? Okay. So,
Hello.
all right. So first base is invisible at the moment because
Yeah,
the
it seems
camera-
like the first base is gone.
Stop speaking tiny.
Alright,
to
just
phone number.
forget it.
Okay.
Unless you
So-
really want to use them.
Grant Williams still up to bat. It is 13-2 now, or 13-1 with a runner at second base. All right. Here's the pitch. Swung on.
Foul ball.
Fouled off once again. For like the 90th time.
Okay, so I think I'm at 1.
Swung on. Popped up foul behind home plate.
Damn, he cooked that ball like I cooked the dog.
What the yo? Swung on. And it's over, but it's also it gets caught into the garden and a ground rule double is made and Grant stealing around the bases because he thought it was over the fence. But it's
you
not.
want the rice? Tell me in the
Shut
comments.
up! Okay, it was a home run, but they called it a double, and there's now 13-2. Through the wickets of Riker Jacobson, and Grant is safe at first.
No, I talk Asian.
Okay.
Rest of the video.
That means I can
Okay.
have 7.
I talk Asian.
Grant up to bat still. Runners at first and third.
Okay, 14 to 3. No, 14 to 2.
Okay. He lets go of the bat like a Dumbo. All right. The pitch. Not swung on, and a ball one.
All around you, buddy.
But we could take up 10.
The 1-0 pitch. Swung on. Drove in. Deep. Right center field, and it's gone.
Yahoo!
A 3-run shot to make it 13-5.
He cooked that ball again.
Absolutely driving these balls today.
Just like I drive into the little kid.
What? Swung on. Foul ball. Okay.
It hits the garage.
You can do it, right?
He smokes one again. Will, is it out of here? It is. Another home run. And it's 13-6 now. Grant keeps hitting home runs. I think that's his 4th today.
Damn. I still beat them though.
Ball 1 to Grant Williams. The 1-0 pitch. Swung on.
And
Foul. Just barely foul.
There we go. The pitch. The pitch. The swing. And the...
And it's a single.
Uh-oh.
He's running. Slides into second base. And he's safe. He swings for 3. Head first slide into third. And he's safe again.
Oh my God. He got say so much he said so many times he might have grass burn.
Crazy slides.
Yeah.
Clip that.
I think he's critically ill.
Yeah.
Did that?
That was an incredible play.
You're out.
That's another single, and that will be run rule. It is now 13-7 for Riker Jacobson.
Oh, hello.
Yes, the kid that's talking Chinese in the.
All right. You know what I mean?
All right, we are back
You know what I mean?
for the top of the.
I'm joking.
It is 13-7 for Riker Jacobson at this moment, and he's shaking his head like an.
Man, you just look like the same. Oh, you bald.
Dang, he just called me the B word. That was not very nice. Anyways, so Riker Jacobson, they are taking their sweet time.
Yeah. Unlike me. No, I not stop.
Don't stop, make it drop at the party on 6-7.
Man, shut up. You don't say 6-7.
And it's through the middle for a single. Riker, it's thrown, but he misses. He stays on the base, and I believe he is safe. Will they go into? They will not go into review. And there's a runner on first base, no outs. All right.
That was so ugly.
Just like you.
Oh, just like you.
All right.
Dude,
They're
you're a
still
dinosaur.
contemplating. Okay, the first pitch. Swung on, driven, and it's off the umbrella, and it rolls on the ground. He is safe at first base with a runner at first and second. Oh, and he's running. And he will stop at third to score a run, and is now 14-7 for Riker Jacobson. Yup. Anyways, 13-7, no outs with a runner at third base. Okay.
Yes, I talk Asian.
Be quiet. All right. That was him, not me, by the way.
It was you.
No, it was not. Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's another single.
Oh,
And it's
single. Nice.
Off the garage.
Off the what?
And it's another single,
Single.
making it 15-7 for Riker Jacobson. That is
Damn,
a lot.
I'm mopping the floor with Grant.
Another line drive single for Riker Jacobson to at second base. And it seems they are turning off the sprinkler. Oh wait, no, they are adjusting it, not turning it off. My bad.
Not bad.
So 16-7.
Here's the pitch. Swung on, foul ball to the backstop. And he's scratching his knee. The pitch. Swung on. Ground ball up the middle. Grant gets him out of the base path. And he was out because he's out of the base path. And they're fighting about it. And they're done. Okay. Here's the pitch. Yeah, I do. That's a ball 1 to Riker. 1-0 pitch. Swung on. Fouled off. Foul. All right. Here we go. Okay. Strike 2. The 1-2 pitch. The 1-2 pitch. Swung on and missed for strike 3. But we do 4 strikes. Keep that in mind. The next pitch. And he fouls it off again. And they seem to be doing nothing. All right. The pitch. Swung on. Ground ball through the middle. And it'll get through. He's going to. And he's... Oh my goodness, I think he's out. They're arguing about it, and I think he was out on the play, but we're not quite sure. We'll have to go under the replay review. Grant is almost sure of it that he's out, but Riker is pleading his case, telling him that he's safe. And his right thigh looks like it got absolutely belted when he threw it at him. My goodness, what a close play. We'll see what it is. After replay review, the call on the field is safe at second. We will be continuing back to the game with a runner at second.
My bad.
All right. Let's get this game rolling. Riker up to bat. The 0-0 pitch. Strike 1, tipped it off the wood stick for 1 strike. The 0-1. Swung on and missed once again. The 0-2 count. Hit. Fair ball off the wood pile. And he's thinking about 2, and he will stay at first base. Grant holding him on, and he is safe. Wow, that was not a really close play, but it was close enough to make some people wonder. All right. A new count. Missed inside for ball 1. The 1-0 pitch. Swung on. Ground ball to Grant, and it gets through. He misses him, and it goes all the way behind the camera. Riker will stay at first base, but by golly, that was a close play. Just missed him by a couple inches. Now runners at first, 1 run scores. Runners at first and second. Pitch. Strike 1, missing, swinging. 0-1. Swung on. Ground ball to first. Misses him. And Riker's going to. He got him in a pickle, and he's safe. He will stay at second base, and another run scores. They both look like they're injured, and Riker's not getting up. It looks like he scratched himself pretty badly, and we'll have to go.
Welcome back, guys. We had to take a break because I kind of cut my shin open.
Yeah, I mean, you can't see the bone or anything, but it's probably a good 2 or 3 layers deep. Yeah. And it's bleeding like crazy, so we just put a massive Band-Aid on it. Like, it's 4 times bigger than any other Band-Aid I ever seen.
This is what I need.
Yeah, so we're going to get back to the game. 21-7 for him. I have to score 15 runs to try to win. I have no shot. This game.
All right, let's get the game rolling.
By the way, this is Blizzard against Muskrats because they're the 2 teams that have
The first pitch. Swung on. Popped up behind Riker's head. He loses it in the sun and he can't see it. Grant going to second base. And he is safe at second for another double. Jeez, he jumped at the end and looks like he rolled his ankle a little bit from jumping and then landing on it incorrectly. And he will be up to bat once again. Again, the score 20-7.
6-7.
The 0-1. Swung on. Fair ball. But they're calling it foul? Interesting, but I guess the game continues. Strike.
I'm so good.
Strike 3. Fouled off. Backwards. The pitch. Low in the dirt for ball 1. The 1-3 pitch. Swung on and fouled off just off the tip.
I have 3 strikes on me.
The swing. Hits him and it's strike 3 for 1 out. In the bottom of the 3rd.
1 out.
This will be Grant's last chance to stay in the game. Hits it. Foul ball. Next pitch. Low in the dirt for ball 1. The pitch. Swung on. Foul ball. Here's the pitch. Swung on. Just a weak little pop-up right at Riker's feet. And it'll be a single for Grant Williams. So now runners at first and third.
I was about that close to getting my peanut destroyed.
Grant up to plate. Swung on and missed. Whoa! He was way out front of that one.
Oh yeah. Contact bat. Here we go.
All right.
Bro! Why'd you look away? I had another one.
All right. He will be using a red broken bat. What the actual crap? And he falls down. What the heck? All right. Popped up. Foul right back at him. And there are now 2 strikes. The pitch. Popped up right back to Riker, and he will catch it for the 2nd out. And that is the game. The Muskrats win their 2nd of the season with more wins to come.